Morning, baby. A is for ambulance. Nina goes the sound. B is for baby, crawling all around. C is for cat, who loves to chase a mouse. D is for dinosaur, stomping in the house. E is for earth, so big and blue. F is for fox, saying how do you do. G is for goat, munching on some hay. H is for honey, sticky and yummy way. I is for Iron Man, flying in the sky. J is for jungle, where monkeys wing high. K is for king, with the shiny crown. L is for lamp that lights up the town. N is for moon, glowing through the night. N is for needle, tiny and light. O is for octopus with 8 funny arms. P is for panda, full of cozy charms. Q is for queen in a castle so tall. R is for rabbit, bouncing like a ball. S is for Superman, zooming so fast. T is for tiger, with stripes that last. U is for unicorn, sparkly and bright. V is for vulture, flying in the night. W is for watermelon, juicy and red. X is for xylophone, music in your head. Y is for yak, with long woolly hair. Z is for zoo, with animals everywhere. Morning, baby.
O is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on the street. C is for cat with a purse so fine. D is for dog who's a friend of mine. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hat that you wear on your seat. I is for igloo made of snow. J is for jelly, wobbly show. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, who loves to swing. N is for nest, where the birds sing. O is for octopus, with arms 8. P is for penguin, who waddles great. Q is for queen, with a crown so grand. R is for rabbit, who hops on land. S is for sun, that shines so bright. T is for turtle, slow but right. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin, that sweetly plays. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, with notes so true. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, stripes everywhere. Now we've sung our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Morning, baby.
A for apple. B for baby. C for cat. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for coil. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for wolf. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for jutsunai. Let's learn small ABCD. Small A for ant. Small B for banana. Small C for camel. Small D for drums. Small E for earth. Small F for fairy. Small G for giraffe. Small H for helicopter. Small I for iguana. Small J for jackal. Small K for kangaroo. Small L for lizard. Small M for mouse. Small N for nut. Small O for onion. Small P for pig. Small Q for queen. Small R for rhino. Small S for sheep. Small T for tomato. Small U for umbrella. Small B for vulture. Small W for whale. Small X for X-ray. Small Y for yogurt. Small Z for zero.